The mass of our car was 29.9 grams and the width of our car was 6.5 centimeters.
Our car name is Sunsets and our team name is Frenchies. This is our car for the egg race.
The rationale behind it is for speed. We filled the bottom with hot glue, so inside here is hot glue, between the two compartments is hot glue, and in the corners it's hot glue. For the egg part, we're gonna put the eggs in these two compartments, but we liked this one better. So that's like the safety part of our car. But the reason why we kept this one was because it adds a lot of weight, because for all these layers to make the compartment were filled with hot glue, so it adds a lot of weight to our car. And for the crash worthiness, we're gonna put, like I said, we're gonna put our egg in this one, so it's gonna crash against the wall like that. So if it does crumple, it crumples this part and not like this part, so the egg doesn't crack or break. But we don't think it's gonna crack because right here it's like a wall of hot glue that we didn't realize, because the glue that's on, we made it like a wall of hot glue, so it crashes and nothing happens. 2, 1. I feel like it's gonna crash.
Go. Watch it go. Yeah. See ya. Oh.
The analysis of our car is that when it goes down, it ends up hitting and then bouncing up.
But the egg is still safe.
So we're gonna try setting it down this way and see maybe if it hits the front and this comes up, that it'll help our car a lot more.
And it might go faster.
Yes, we're gonna go see if that works. It worked. Our car, when we put the egg in front, it hit and the back came up, but the egg stayed in place and nothing happened.
Now we're gonna go race our car with the entire class.
All right. So what we're looking for is speed, because the point is, does your paper car protect a raw egg at high speed? So that needs 2 seconds or less is what we're looking for coming down the track. So when you're at videotape your egg coming down, your car coming down. If it falls out, as some of them may, just make them record Humpty Dumpty on the way down, and then make sure you get what it has here, and I will then pull it out and determine if there are any cracks or if it's actually split open. Also, you'll need to get the copy of the time so I'll know how long it took yours to get down. Questions?
3, 2, 1, go.
Wait, you started way late.
Oh!
And Alec, Valente,
Why did you say Alec?
ready?
Nope.
All right, on you when you tell me.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my god! Oh, I didn't break.
So out of all the runs, the egg ended up cracking. I don't know what happened. It was doing so well before.
And our car ended up going slower, which we're really confused about. It ended up going in the test run 2.1, and now it went 2.5. One of the reasons I think it could have happened was because we had to weigh our car to make sure it was under 30 grams, and I had to take out the axles and wheels because those don't count. So maybe I switched the wheels in the different areas, or they weren't on right like they were before. So, yeah.